Hi, it's Rosie Batista from iCookNaked.com. And of course I'm not really naked, but I am going to show you how to make an amazing naked snack using rice cakes. So this is a rice cake recipe, a healthy rice cake recipe. So one of the things that really is annoying is when you buy rice cakes and by the time you get home, they're all smashed up. So you either have to throw them away because there's no way you can spread peanut butter on them. So I concocted this recipe, which you can do, which is so much fun, with the broken rice cakes so you don't have to waste them. So we're going to take our broken rice cakes and we're going to just break them up even more into the bowl. I'm breaking it up and you can actually see that it almost looks like popcorn. I'm going to break it up into the bowl. So I have about 2 rice cakes in here. And that's a great amount for you, for one person. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle the rice cake with some cinnamon. I'm going to add some raw unsalted cashews. I'm going to add some goji berries, which are a superfood and a great antioxidant. If you don't have goji berries, you can substitute raisins. And then I'm going to take some dark chocolate cacao. This is 65% cacao. And the darker, the more percentage of cacao that you have in your chips, the better. And we're just going to kind of mix that up. We're going to put this into a baggie, almost like shake and bake, and just kind of shake it up. There you have this handy dandy little snack bag that you can take to the movies with you, take in the car with you for a really nice, delicious, energy producing snack. The other thing you can do is I have these little Elvis bags. And so I'd like to put mine in here and tie it with a little ribbon and kind of treat myself a little bit special because I love Elvis. And I love this amazing little naked snack. So I'm Rosie Batista with iCookNaked.com. Ciao for now, while I chow on my snack.